Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Point. My name is Sujat and this is a tutorial on how to create a Japanese ramen. Not only the ramen but the whole scene that you see over here. So about this, I have already created a tutorial on sushis. You can go ahead and check that. And here I am going to talk about how I have used all these materials and all these uh, models to create these scene. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I have done over here inside Blender is that I have my asset browser open over my right side and the viewport on in my right side, and I have all my models over here which are being populated from the uh, the other blend files that I have which have these assets inside them. So here what I'll first do is I'll go ahead and slide this default cube to the y axis because I need that and I will use it later on. But for the moment, I'll just show you how we can create a scene for ourselves with very little hassle. So all I need to do is I'll create a plane. I'll extend that, get this flow texture over here and put that in. Now you have a texture over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take this bowl and keep it over here, and now you can see you have your bowl over here. Now we need a base soup which we have over here and we can use that. Now we have this soup, we'll drag it and bring it down, and right here. Now what we can do is we will go to this egg over here, bring it down, scale it down, then place that however you want to. I'll place it like this. Now we need to take some other materials that we have. I am going to take some and just populate them, scale them to size because not all of them are sized equally, so we need to scale them as well, duplicate them if necessary, and I will actually duplicate some of them when and where it's necessary to do that. And I have these noodles as well. We can place that down, rotate that if necessary. If you want to uh, rotate that, you can do that. You can obviously add noodles to your scene as well, which I'm going to show you. I'll take this brush and drag some noodles around, and you see you can get a lot more details over here only by dragging your mouse and creating more and more of the same thing. Now you have more noodles to play with. So we can populate other things as well. We can go ahead and take these sausages and also include them in. If you want sausages in your ramen, you can do that, but I don't recommend them, so I'll not use them, but I created them nonetheless. So now I have these meats that we can drag and drop over here. Let's decrease the size and place them as required. So we will actually go through all of these I also have some shushis that we can populate as well. So let's populate some of them and show you how they look. Now I have different textures and different kind of sushis that I have created. These are all uh, a type of sushi as well, but I'm using it inside this ramen bowl because I love the texture and it looks quite natural inside a uh, noodle kind of thing. But it is basically a sushi that I have created, which you can see over here. Now I have some other things as well that we can populate. We have a bento box that I have already uh, this is also a procedural box that we can create, generate, and we can actually change the size of it as well if we want. We can change the number of rows and columns as well. So lots of things to do, lots of things to go through and work on. So yeah, this is all the things that we are going to learn in the videos. So I have two videos already made which actually creates these shushis over here, and you can go ahead and check those. The links are already been given to you, and the rest we will go one by one. It takes time to create. Thank you anyways. Thank you so much for listening to me, and have a great day.